Hello, this is Geometry, topic 3-4, just more on special angle pairs and word problems. So example 1 is just a review. We want to figure out what x is given this. Well, if this is 90, that must mean that these lines are perpendicular. So that means that this must also be 90. So 3x minus 6 equals 90. Break it down to basic algebra. 3x equals 96. Divide that by 3. And we get that x equals 32. Well, now let's take a look at example number 2. So LM and UV intersect at B. We want to find the value of x and the measure of angle LBV. Well, I'm looking at this, and these are vertical angles which are congruent. So 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 1. Just use some basic algebra. Subtract 2x from both sides. X minus 5 equals 1. Add 5. And you get that x equals 6. That's only half of our answer because they also wanted LBV. So it would be 3 times 6 minus 5, which is 18 minus 5, which is 13. So angle LBV, the measure of that angle, equals 13. Example number 3, we're saying that LN and OP intersect at M. We want to know what X is. We want to know what LMO is. And we want to know OMN. Well, I'm looking at these, and these make a linear pair, which means that they add up to 180. So that means 3x plus 4 plus 5x minus 20 equal 180. That means 8x minus 16 equals 180. 8x equals 196. Which means that x equals 24.5. Nice. Well, LMO equals 5 times that 24.5 minus 20. So angle LMO, the measure of that angle, must be 102.5. And now the measure of angle OMN, well, that equals 3 times our 24.5 plus 4. So the measure of angle OMN is 77.5. And these are both in degrees. Just a matter of identifying what rule you're going to use, writing it out, and then using algebra to solve it. Moving on to example number 4. Well, here, the measure of angle 1 and 2 are supplements. That means 180 degrees. So that means that this plus this equals 180. 3x plus 20 plus 5x plus 8 equals 180. 8x plus 28 equals 180. So 8x must be 152. And when we divide by 8, we get 22.75 degrees. Now on to example number 5. Here they tell us that these are perpendicular, which means that this is a right angle. Well, that means that these two must add up to 90. Well, the measure of angle 1, 3x minus 2, plus the measure of angle 2, 4x plus 1. Well, that equals 90. Gives me 7x minus 1 equals 90. So 7x must equal 91. And 91 divided by 7 equals 13. And so the measure of x is 13. And actually it is not in degrees because x is not an angle, it's just a number here. Example number 6 says the measure of an angle if the angle is 27 less than twice the supplement. Well, supplementary means they add up to 180, so the supplement would be 180 minus x. And now we solve. Start by distributing. Combine similar terms. Move our x's to one side. Divide by 3, and we get to x is 111. And because now it is an angle, we put our little degree sign. So far, everything in here has just been review from the 2 previous topics. And now we are on example number 7. So we want to find the measure of an angle if the supplement is 12 more than. So the supplement, that would be 180 minus x, is 12 more than 3 times the complement, which is 90 minus x. And we go ahead and work this one. 180 minus x equals 270 minus 3x plus 12. (180 minus x equals 282 minus 3x. And we go ahead and work through and solve, and we get here that x equals 50.5. Again, this is just basic algebra skills. If your algebra skills are not very strong, then you may want to go back and look at some of my Algebra 1 videos on solving multi-step equations, especially those with variables on both sides. Good luck on your assignment, and have a good day.